Hello, I hope it's going well with you. Today I'm not into the mood to paint, so I think I'm just going to play. I saw on Pinterest a few of these type of birds that they made with the paper rolls without the feet, that they painted and so on, and I thought I'm going to try and make something similar and put on a few feet, and maybe I will see what I'm going to do. So what you're going to need, you're going to need 2 paper clips, a scissor, a bulldog clip if you need to keep it together, and a glue gun. So first of all, I'm going to take my toilet roll and fold the one side for the tail. And maybe, well, this is, yeah, I don't know, maybe I was somewhat just glue it now. So I'm just going to take, okay, let me just put in a glue gun, otherwise I will don't get far. Okay, so what I'm firstly going to do is I'm going to glue a rather big area at the back of the tail. This is going to be my tail. So I'm just going to press it down for a moment, just to make sure it's going to stick down firmly. I'm just going to put this clips on here. Now what you do is you take the opposite side and you flatten that again. I think it can make an interesting fish as well. And while I just let this sit for a moment, I just want to show you, this is just a normal paper clip. This was in the inside. Let me just show you. It was like that. So I've just taken the shorter one, and I've bent it up. And then I will bend this to this side, and I'm going to glue that on the bottom of my bird for feet. So it's an easy way to make yourself some bird feet, and it's just going to be like that, and then I will just glue the little body on top of that. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to make a curve. You can even take a pencil if you like and make yourself a curve like this on both sides, as this will be the side of the face. And then this pieces that you're going to cut off will form the beak. So you can cut off as much as you like. Just press it down that it's equal down like that. And then you're going to just take one of these pieces that you folded flat, and I'm going to insert it there and glue it down there. So for now I'm just going to glue this and just make sure it sticks down quite well. And while I'm waiting for that just to cool off, I'm just going to snip off this extra glue that came out there. I think that can be a very nice craft to do with your kids, you know. But you must just be careful with the glue gun because it is very hot. So I think that will maybe be the best is first to glue this down and then glue the rest of the head. So I'm just going to put this on the one side of the mouth where I think I want it, and just press down a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to go for the one side first, I think, one half. And now I'm just going to glue this part together. Now you can see I've got my little bird, and I want to glue this feet on So I think I'm just going to stick this down here. And transfer it to the body. Okay. I think somewhere around there can work just fine. So for now, I'm just going to try and fill up that area first. Let it dry before I go to the next area, just to keep it a little bit more into place. Okay, now I'm first going to do these two here, because the problem is if you put the warm glue onto the cold glue, it also melts the cold glue underneath, and then sometimes, you know, it shifts. And then as soon as that is cold, I will just do the middle parts. But I think it's going to work. You can see my bird is standing, so mission accomplished. Okay, this is the beak that I've cut from the sides. I've even got this one. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on this area here and just try to secure it a lot better on my bird. So I'm just going to take off the sides and I'm just going to glue that down there. As I said, these things are warm, so just take care. Okay, so I'm just going to press that down there. You can take any other piece of cotton as well. It doesn't need to be this. I'm just going to use this as I have it. And I think I've got a few ridges that's standing up, so I'm just going to take my glue gun and just go in there and just smooth it down a little bit. And for that you can just, well, I just take my finger with a little bit of water and I just quickly press down on it. I'm just going to use a piece of tape over this area just to smooth it down more. At this point, if there's any stringy bits that is bothering you, you can take it off now. You can even cut off a little bit of the glue that's maybe too much for you in one place, or you can easily cut into this cold glue, into this hot glue. So there's my little bird. Now I'm just going to try and do something nice on top of it. Okay, I'm thinking of wrapping this in my yarn or in my string. I think I'm going to start from this side and go that side and then come to this side. I'm going to use my Modge podge because you can use your cold glue as well. I was just not thinking I'm going to use my glue gun because the yarn is very thin, so I'm scared the glue is going to stick or to come through or whatever, you know what I mean. I don't want it to see. So I'm just going to put a little bit of Modge podge on and hope it will get sticky. But as I said, you can use your plain wood carpenter's glue, or you can use any craft glue. So I'm going to start, I want to put that there, that side. And I'm just going to come once from this side. And then I'm going to try and catch that yarn there, and I will scrunch it up the whole time like this, so it can be nice and nicely together. But I am going to speed this up, or I will do this off camera because I don't want you to bore you to death with me wrapping this little bird. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to go like this. Now for the area here, I think I will just be cutting the string. This scissor is not the best, and just try and tuck it so I think what I'll try and do is just tuck in a piece there again. Into that area again, and now I'll come from the front. I'll just try and wipe that away a little bit later. I think I want to try this just to secure it there. And I'm going to do that for the last time now, so I'm just going to go around now. So I will just keep it going like this, and I will speed this up again. Okay, this bird is dry now, so I'm thinking of taking just white craft paint and just dry brushing here and there over the bird. I think I'm going to make the beak white for now. I don't want to cover all the string. Now I'm just going to let it quickly dry, and then I'm just going to glue some beads on for the eye, and then I think I'm finished, and I will maybe make the feet black. I will just see. So I'm just going to quickly let this dry. I'm just going to glue the eyes. I messed up there a little bit, but I'll fix it. At that side, let me just see. Oh, it's coming too much. And now I'm just going to take my Sharpie, and I'm just going to make the feet black. The eyes was just little seed beads, as you can see there. Okay, I've decided to make wings for this little bird that I think I may be going to make gold, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to quickly cut out 2 wings and then I will paint them white. And then I will just stick them on top of that. Okay, so I'm just quickly painting them white. And then I'm going to dry them and then I will see what I'm going to do with them. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly dry them. Okay, I'm just going to glue the wings around somewhere here. I think it can look better with wings. So I'm just going to take my glue gun and just put a little bit of glue there. Just put my wing there and then the other side as well. Just going to eyeball it. And I think it looks much better than without the wings. I like the wings. So there's my little birdie and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I will definitely see you again and take care.